what is meant by approximation? Approximation, okay. If I'm giving some number like 15.09 or 16.89, or I'm giving like 373.01 or 495.99. So what's the answer for this? How how much can be approximated? 15. This is like 50. So whenever a number is lesser than 15.5 or something, round it off to the lowest closest number. That is going to be 15. Whenever it is above 15.5 or something, round it off to the higher closest number. So in this case, it is going to be 17. 17. In this case, 373.01, 373. In this case, 496. Now, these are your approximations. Now, these approximations are going to be used in your simplification. Whenever you come across these kind of set of numbers, just approximate it and then do the calculation, make it easy. Okay. So do not sit and do the approximation or the simplification with decimals. Always approximate it and start solving. Because as it is a competitive exam, quick solving is important, not perfect answers. Okay. Fine. Start with the 15th one. 3.03 square plus 21.01 square equal to 24.99 divided by 4.99 x plus 3.99 x. How will you approximate it? First 3 square plus 21 square equal to 25 divided by 5x plus 4x. Now solve it. Solve for x and let me know that x equal to t. Do you people want me to solve this or you can do it? What is 21 square? Quick.
441.
441. Up to 25 you should be memorized. 441. 441 plus 9 is 450. 450 equal to 5x plus 4x. 9x. 9x equal to 450. X is equal to 50. Mental maths, improve it. All clear? Go to the 16th one. 16th one, let me zoom out a bit. Okay. The question is 32.06% of 449.95 plus 14.98 square divided by 4.96 plus 121.96 equal to x percent of 783.86. 361. No, they're asking x percent. Whole square. Whole square. 14.98 whole square. I'm showing you. It is x percent of 783.86. I want to know the value of x. No, do it slowly. Do it slowly. How can be 32.06 written as 32? 449.95. Sorry, 450. Okay. 14.98. 15. 4.96. 5. 121.96. 122. 783.86. 784. Okay. Solve it now. Which will you solve first? Whatever is inside the brackets. So what is inside the bracket? 32% of 450. How will you write 32%? How can you find 32% of 450? Okay. What's 10% of 450? 45. So can I write 32% as 30% plus 2? You can write it this way. So this becomes 45 into 3. That is nothing but 135. 135. What is a single percent of 450? 4.5. What is 2% of 450? 9. 135 plus 9 is 144. 144 is the first answer, right? 144 plus what is 15 square? 225, right? Divided by 4.96 is written as 5 plus 122 equal to x percent of 784. This is the simplified equation. What is 225 plus 144? 369. 369. So instead of doing that, can I directly divide this 5 by that? So it becomes 144 divided by 5 plus 225 divided by 5. So can I do this? Plus 122 equal to x percent of 784. So 225 divided by 5 is 45. 144 divided by 5 is 28.8 plus this is 45 plus 122 equal to x percent of 784. This 28.8 can be written as 29 plus 45 plus 122 equal to x percent of 784. Right? Now, what is this addition? 45 plus 29 plus 122? 196. 196 equal to x percent of 784. 784. Okay. Now, how much is this 196 lesser than 200? So, can I write it as 200 minus almost near to 200? Almost near to 200. How much is this lesser than 800? 16. Almost close to 8. Almost close to 800. Even if you divide, are you going to get approximately that value? So, can you approximate it and tell it? So, this I will take it as round off at 200 and this I'll take it as x percent of 800. So, this becomes x is 25% of 800 approximately, right? So, this becomes your method of solving. Even one single step step if you miss. Not all these things you need not do it, but quick calculation when you do it, it becomes easy. Okay, 25%. Approximation is very important whenever you come across these kind. Okay, the next one, 19.86% of 15.08% of 599.89 plus 212 plus 09 equal to x plus 11.98 into 10.09. Quick. Did I miss some question? Yeah, I missed some question, I think. Okay, do the 17th one. I missed the 17th. Okay, 7 divided by 15 into 449.78 plus 190.08 equal to x square plus 19.86% of 875.04. This can be written as 450, and here it can directly get divide 15 into 3, it becomes 30. So it becomes 7 into 30 becomes 210, and this becomes 190 equal to x square plus 20% of 875. So it becomes 400 equal to x square plus 20% of 875. What is 10% of 875? What is 10% of 875? 87.5. What is 20% of 875? 87.5 into 2. That is nothing but 175. 175. So 400 minus 175 becomes x square becomes equal to x square equal to 225. So x is equal to plus or minus 15. Whichever option is given in your answer, if it is given plus 15, mark it plus 50. If it is given minus 50, mark it minus 50. But you should remember, whenever you get x square, it is going to be x is equal to plus or minus 15. Approximation. Solve 18. Those who completed 17, solve 18. See, let it be any exam. Your speed math and simplification is important. Let it be CAT, let it be math, or any other exam. Of banking, it is very important. 11. Excess 11. Go for the next one. 19th. Those who completed 18th, complete 19th, 20. Okay, for 19th, you can just wait. Let us just discuss that. How many questions? Until I complete, I won't send you today. Into. Okay. In 19th one, what will you do? Okay. Plus square root of 845 into 844. Okay. For this, you just keep it this way. Bracket 843.08 plus 1. How will you solve this one? This particular case. 844.98. You solving which one?
Sir, 845 into 845 whole root means you'll take 845 only.
Yeah, it is 845 into 844. So you take the smaller one, 844. It can be close to 844 the whole square. Anyone, the one thing here and there it can go. If it comes in point also, again you're going to round it off. So it can take it as 844 the whole square and take 844 out. So 20% of 750 plus 844 equal to, find out, 497. This becomes 20% of 750 plus square root of 845 into 843.08 can be written as 843 plus 1 is nothing but 844. So now take it to the smaller number itself, 844 the whole square. So it becomes 20% of 750 plus 844. Now if you solve it, you'll get it. 10% is 75, 20% is 150. 150 plus 844 is 994 equal to x into 2. That is nothing but 994 divided by 2. That is nothing but 497. X is 497. Okay. Similar way, start solving the 20th one. Okay. So before you start solving 20th one, all see here. Quick. Okay. Square roots. How will you find the square roots? Square root. How will you find it? Yes. Anyone? You know the squares until 100. You can find it out now, and all those things you know. Now, if I'm giving a number like this, something like okay, let us just solve certain problems and then let us discuss. 1681. This becomes 2304, 2116, 2116, 2304. The next set comes something like this: 3481, 3481, 2704, 3136. Okay. So now here you need to find out the square roots. To find the squares, you know. To find out the square roots, how to do it. Now, in this case, these are the numbers between 1600 to 3600. Okay. So these are the numbers between that. Now, and this is lesser than 2500, and these are numbers which are greater than 2500. Now, what is square of these last two numbers? 9. This is 4. This is 2. Okay. Here 9 to 6. Okay, fine. Now, what is going to be 50 minus 9? 40? 41, right? Sorry, wait. 41. And this is going to be 50 minus 4 is 46. 6. This is going to be 48. These are your answers. Whenever a number is lesser than 2500, you're just going to subtract it from 50. The last square, you're just going to subtract it from 50. The remaining thing is going to be your answer. I'll tell you. Okay. So this one is going to be, so these are some normal tricks. Whenever the last two numbers are a perfect square, or you can simplify it, only then all these logics apply. Here you can find this is going to be 9 9s are 81. This is going to be 4 4s are 16. This is going to be 2 2s are 4. Here's going to be 9 9s are 81, 4 6 6 are 36. Whenever the last two numbers are perfect squares, only then you can do these kind of things. Okay, just playing around with it. Now here what are you going to do? You're going to add 50 to it. Add 52. Add 52. This is going to be 59, 52, 56. These are your answers. These are your answers. Whenever a number is between 1600 to 3600. Okay. Now all understood here? Okay. So now whenever you're getting some numbers like this from 8100 to 12,000. Okay. The first square root is something like this. 8281. Second square root is 8836. And third square root is 9604. And this side is going to be 11881, be 11236, and this is going to be 11449. Okay. Okay. The last two numbers again, find out. It's going to be 962. This is going to be 967. Okay. Here every number was close to 5000. So you took a base for 50. Here every number is close to 10,000. So you're going to take a base for 100. So 100 plus 9 is going to be, 100 minus 9 is going to be 91. This is going to be 94. This is going to be 98. This is going to be, how much is this? 109. This is going to be 100 plus. This is going to be 106. This is going to be 107. These are your squares. Whenever we get. Okay. So now everyone are like bit confused with 7. Now what do I do if I get a random number? What if I do if I get a random number? Okay. Random number, let us understand. Until this, everyone clear? Clear? Online? All clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Now if I get a random number like this, 7921, 7921. It's some random number. I do not know whether it is a square or not, a perfect square or whatever it is. Now, from 1 to 9 square, you people should know, right? What is 1 square? 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. Now, if you compare the first and the ninth one are having the common units place. 1. It ends with units place 1. 2 and 8 end with units place 4. 3 and 7 end with units place 9. Right? 4 and 6 end with unit place 5 ends with units place 5. So whenever you are having a perfect square, it can only end with 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. So whenever you see a number, if it is ending with one of these numbers, only then it is a perfect square. Else it is not a perfect square. Just erase it out and go to the next option. Okay. Now here, since we need to find out the square root of this number, split it into, after two numbers, just split it. After 2 digits, just split it. Now the units place over here is 1. Here is 1. Now which numbers can end with the units place value 1? 1 and 9. Okay. So you can either have a, it can either be 1 or it can be 9. Right? It can either be 1 or 9. Now 79. Now what is 75 square? What is 75 square? 7 are 56 and this is going to be 25. This is 5625. Okay. So I cannot take a 75 square. It is closer to 80. So let me take 85 square. So what's 85 square? 8 9s are 72. 72 and 25. 85 square, is it lesser than the given number or is it more than the given number? Lesser than the given number. Now, if it is lesser than the given number, obviously it has to be the higher value. It has to be the higher value. So it cannot be 81. It has to be 89. This is the value. This is the value. Now, what is the reason I took 8 here? It is closer to 70. 79 means the closest number or the perfect square is 8. 8 8s are 64. The next number is 9 9s are 81. You cannot take it up. The closest square is going to be 8 square, 64. It can either be 81 or 89. We need to find which is that number. When you do 85 square, you're going to get 7225. 7225, it is lesser than the given number. So obviously the answer can be 80. Okay. So this becomes one of the things. Just take another example so that you will understand this. Okay. All understood the concept or no? Any confusions here? Square root of 1369. First step, split it after two digits. Units place is going to have a 9. Which are the options where it can have 9? 3 and 7. 3 and 7. What is the closest to square for 13? 3. That is going to be 3 3s are 9. So it can either be 33 or it can be 37. Now, what is 35 square? 125. 25. The given number is lesser than the actual number or more? Lesser. So obviously it has to be 37. Fine, clear. If the end number is not a square, so you not do these steps itself. You can tell the given number is not a perfect square. Okay. Online, all clear.